Hello everyone. Welcome to CSE 101 lecture number 1. I am Rakin Min Rabbani and today I will be talking about algorithms. To solve a problem, we write computer programs. An algorithm is a sequence of finite instructions which helps to write those programs. Algorithm can be represented in two ways. First one is the pseudocode and another one is flowchart. Now, let's talk about pseudocode. Before writing or solving a program, programmers who actually write the program do some rough work with the help of this pseudocode. Pseudocode is a generic way of describing an algorithm. It helps programmers to plan an algorithm. This is not an actual programming language, but it borrows syntax from popular programming languages. Pseudocodes can be divided into two types: sequential pseudocode and non-sequential pseudocode. In a sequential pseudocode, program statement or instructions are executed sequentially. For example, a program has been written here in pseudocode where two numbers are being added. First, we take an integer number, which is a whole number, as an input from the user and store it in variable A. Then we take another number from the user and store it in variable B. After that, we add the value of two variables A and B and store it in variable C. After that, we show the value of variable C as an output. As the program is executed sequentially, we call it sequential pseudocode. In a non-sequential pseudocode, program statement or instructions are executed based on some flow control statements, which means it is not executed sequentially. For example, we are trying to determine the type of payment based on the number of hours worked by a worker. First, we take the number of hours worked by a worker as an input from the user. Then, on instruction 2, we check if the worker has worked more than 40 hours or not. This is our flow control statement, and based on this condition, our program sequence will be decided. If the worker has worked more than 40 hours, overtime pay is showed as an output and we end the program. Here, line 1, 2, 3 and 6 has been executed. If the worker has worked less than 40 hours, regular pay will be shown as output, which means instruction 1, instruction 2, 4, 5 and 6 will be executed. As the program is not following any sequence of instruction, therefore this is called non-sequential pseudocode. In the next lecture video, we will be learning about another type of algorithm which is also known as flowchart. Thank you.